In today's video, we will see how to make pure ghee out of homemade butter. Lord Buddha refers to cow's milk in all its forms in the Chavalata Sutta and mentions the skimmings of ghee as being the foremost. Ghee has also been mentioned in ancient scriptures like the Vedas as a purifying and healing food. Please check out my how to make butter video and use homemade butter to make pure ghee at home. You can find the link above and also in the description box below. Have added about 250 grams homemade butter to a heavy bottomed pan. Ghee is best made at low temperatures to keep the nutrients intact. So we will leave this on low flame for a few minutes to melt the butter. Don't cover the pan and make sure not to stir it. The ghee making process goes through 3 stages. We'll take you through them as this cooks. In about 5 minutes, the butter starts boiling and you can see foam at the top. This is the first stage. Don't stir the mixture at this stage and keep this cooking on low flame. In the second stage, you can see that the butter has started to boil and the milk solids begin to thicken and stick to the sides of the pan. This took another 7 to 8 minutes. You can slowly scrape the sides of the pan, but be careful not to stir this mixture. In the third stage, you can see the skimmings at the bottom of the pan turn golden brown and the ghee at the top has become clear with a little transparent froth or transparent bubbles floating on the top. This indicates that the ghee is ready. Now you can switch off the gas. Do not let the mixture at the bottom burn or become too dark. This entire process took about 30 minutes. This cooking time depends on the thickness of your pan and the quantity of butter used. Just ensure that you cook this on the lowest possible flame and the pan used must be quite thick. When the ghee cools down, strain the mixture into a dry and clean glass jar. This ghee solidifies after a day and the fragrance and flavor is divine. You can also enjoy the skimmings in the pan with some powdered sugar. You get about 125 ml to 150 ml ghee from 250 grams homemade butter. Now you can see the ghee has become solid after a day. In winters, it thickens faster. The texture of this ghee is grainy, which is an indicator that the ghee has been made correctly.